back to one more tutorial on boundary representations. In over here, we are going to see how does boundary representation exactly mean and how does exactly seen for an object. Over here, complicated, intricate or intricate component of an automobile has been brought into screen. Over here, the front or the back view has been placed and it has been identified and it has been given to the uh, drawing environment for the naming part. And as said earlier, the views which have been drawn depending upon the boundary representation is called as the boundary representation technique, and the boundary representation technique is nothing but creation of various views which gives informative sections and information about the various surfaces of the object which can be viewed from particularly from different angles. So over here the front view or the front x directional view has been placed onto the 2D environment, and the respective projections on either side and top side has been added into the 2D environment. These are the exact projection views perpendicular to the face and perpendicular in the bottom side is been placed in the by the third angle projection method. So depending upon the projection vector which is perpendicular, all the visible surface in all the directions are made to see, and viable information is being trespassed on each and every side, which gives some information, which gives some information in a particular way. Over here, by plotting all these views, you can get an idea of the surfaces which are exactly perpendicular and the representation of those surfaces uh, in terms of the represented boundary. So the surfaces which lie and share some information about the respective surfaces are termed as the boundary representation technique, or it can be also called as the technique where isometric projections have been given. This isometric concept is quite old, but as far as the new CAD/CAM package is given, this lies or is termed to be under the boundary representation technique. And usually, this technique is basically used for layouting all intricate and complicated parts. So I do think with the given illustration, the concepts of boundary representation is being easily understood, and I hope I have justified this tutorial. Till then, it's goodbye.